Hello. Hannah's gonna read her flashcards about Skippy John Jones. And we'll start, Hannah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, first one.
Late.
Okay. Spell it.
N-I-T. H. T.
Say the word.
Night.
Very good. Next.
Mask.
Okay. Spell it.
M.
Louder.
A. S. T.
Yes. Say the word.
Mask.
You have to be loud, hon. Okay. Next.
Bird.
Louder.
Bird.
Spell it.
B. I. R. N. D.
Say the word.
Mat. Oopsie. Bird.
Very good. Pay attention, Hannah. What's that one?
Cat.
Spell it.
C-A-T.
Okay.
Cat.
Very good. Next.
Ears.
Yes. Spell it.
E. A. R. S.
What's the word?
Ears.
Very good, Hannah. Next.
Dog.
Yeah.
D-O-G.
Yes.
Dog.
Very good. Good girl. Good job, Hannah. Next.
Candy.
Spell it.
C. A. N. D. Is that right?
Yes. Say the word.
Candy.
Very good. Next.
Cape.
Spell it.
C. A. P. E.
What's the word?
Cape.
Good girl, Hannah.
I need to touch that part.
Yes. Okay, next.
Eyes.
Spell it.
E. Y. E. S.
Good job. What's the word?
Eyes.
Good girl. We're almost done, Hannah. Good job.
Mirror.
Okay, spell it.
M. I. R. R. O. R.
Yes.
Mirror.
Good job. 3 more. Okay, what's this one?
Dad.
Okay.
B. E. D. Bed.
Good job. Last one.
Mother.
Mm-hmm.
M. O. H E R.
Can you spell it again?
Mother.
Read again.
Mother.
Spell it again.
MOTHER.
What's the word?
Mother.
Very good, Hannah. You read all your flashcards. Are you happy?
Yeah.
You like reading?
Yes.
Can you say good night now?
Good night.
Say good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
So we gotta go sleep now? After reading?
Yeah.
Okay. Say good night, Mommy.
Good night, Mommy.
I love you.
I love you.
Sweet girl.